Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a game pass in Roblox that you can sell. It's very easy and quick. Just watch the video till the end. So we're here in the Roblox homepage, and the first thing we need to do is go to the Creators Hub section. Just click this button to proceed. In this section, go to the left corner and click Creations. Then click your game. After that, go to the left corner and scroll down, then click Passes. Click the Create Pass button. Then here, click this button to change the image, and you will be directed to your files. And choose a picture that will represent the game pass you're going to create. You can add the title of your pass here. And for here, you can add a description. And after you're done, click the Create Pass button, and it will be created in a short time. So, here's the pass you created. If it doesn't have the image yet, just refresh the tab, and it will just show up after. You can also put the game pass you created for sale. Just click it, and click the sales button. Just slide the button if you want to put it for sale, and type the amount you want. And that's it. It's very quick and easy. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up. And don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.